Back at it today. All right, I'm gonna take off the tensioner. It's gonna give us way easier access. And I'm gonna start with a pulley. And if I'm gonna be replacing the tensioner anyways, and easy peasy. The pulley, the tensioners are supposed to be replaced every so often. Perfect. You can actually buy the pulley on its own. These bearings tend to go bad. All right, so we got 2 bolts, one here and on the other side. That's near impossible to see. See if we can get those out. Need a longer rope. Kind of got to feel it with your hand because it's really hard to see the way it's located. I don't want to use my electric ratchet because I'm afraid it's going to get stuck or hit against the motor mount. Got to be aware of that in tight spaces. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Okay, 1 bolt. And we got 1 more right here in the middle. Two bolts. Wow, that's a long one. There we go. That last bolt should doozy. And then of course your tensioner. Pretty dirty. Okay, so now we have good easy access. So let me see if I can get you zoomed in a little bit more. There we go. That right there is what we're after. And what I want to do is put a little brake clean on it, clean it up a little bit. You can see what we're looking at. And that's gonna, that is gonna leak a fair bit. So I'm also gonna put a rag below it. All right, and I believe those are 10 millis. All right. Don't knock over your hood mount. That'll be a bad day. Okay, we're going to hold on to these guys. Oops, if I get it. There we go. We're going to get a little pry bar action. Man, that thing is covered. Look at this. It's just covered. Alright. There it is. Alright, so that's it. That's what it looks like. You'll notice it's flat as a board. That gasket's been completely slammed. I mean, it's completely flush. Looks like that's the spot where it was leaking the most. Or it could be that spot, or, you know, could be another. Anyways, we're gonna get it cleaned up and get a new filter in there. Attached again. I'm just keeping my finger on it to make sure the gasket doesn't come loose. I think torque spec on these is like 8 foot-pounds or something. It's very light. I'll verify. There you go.